So you join us today on major upgrades for the Range Rover P38, otherwise known as Bo. Don't know where we got the idea for that name from, but anyway, own this now for 3 months.
Yeah.
Around 3 months. Totally standard. Absolute bargain. Took it laning. It surprised. Been out laning twice now. It surprised us loads of times. So today we decided to get it in and do a few little upgrades. Starting with suspension. They've already made a start. I was a bit held up this morning. So, as you can see, the airbags have been taken off, which aren't that old. And if anyone's in the market for 3-week-old airbags and shockies, give us a shout. There they are. Fitting instructions, we don't need them. As you can see, what have they been on? 3 weeks? 4 weeks?
1 week.
A week?
1 week.
They've been on a week.
Been on a week. They've done less than 10 miles.
So they've done less than 10 miles. Ignore all that. That's just shite off the road. But anyway, so if you're interested, change your heart, decides to go with something else. Oh, why? Yeah, because we went laning with it, and then yeah, that's it. No, they haven't been laning. That was the old airbag.
Yep. The old
Ignore me. I don't know. I'm just going off what I think, and it's wrong. So, gone for the terra firma. This is the 1 inch.
1 inch suspension lift.
1 inch suspension lift, and just go under the car there. Nice new Bilstein steering damper as well. You'll notice the difference with that because the other one, the old one, well had it. So, first of all, this is 23 years old. It's absolutely solid. Look at the inner wheel arches as well. It's done really good. So the rest of Bo is in quite good nick. New wheels to go on, isn't he?
It is.
New wheels and tyres. Haven't decided on what tyres yet, have you?
Well, we went in the press with the Maxxis all-terrains. So, coming up with something different.
Don't know why I wasn't impressed with them because I think they were alright, but I think because it's a Range Rover owner, because they're not a branded name. But yeah, it's in good condition. It's mostly a cracking little car all its life been looked after. Did you do the back bags?
No.
No. So the back bags are no, well, there's nothing wrong with them, but
There's new back bags available.
oh, brand new, never been fitted.
Yep.
There you go. So if you're after 10-mile front airbags and brand new rear airbags, give us a shout. Do you a good deal on them. But this is, I wonder if I can get it. Can I lower the car down? I want to get in. No.
Yeah.
See, I'll try and do that. There you go. So no, it's going to be. This is going to be a work in progress. So we're getting in on the early stages because one thing that we don't do, or we forget to do, is before we do anything, we forget to take pictures of it. You always see them when they're done, but not this time. Like the grey D2, which isn't here today, that was just a totally bog standard D2 in grey. Now, like a tank. Oh, the bull bar's new. What do you think of the bull bar? So, pick this up, little marketplace special. in really good condition. And then it's not Raptor, is it? It's Cobra, was it? Cobra paint?
It was Cobra.
Something like that. It's like another form of Raptor, just to give it a whirl, just to see. And if it didn't come out right, we were just gonna clean it all off and Raptor it, use it with Raptor. But no, I think it's come out really nice. That grill's looking suspiciously painted as well. Where'd you get that Land Rover badge?
That's not the original one, just cleaned it up.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
I was just about to say that's not the original badge because the other one was knackered.
No, that's the original badge, cleaned up, a little bit of emery cloth, some cut and compound, and a bit of polish.
That's Jack for you, born in the 1950s. Anyway, so this, as I say, this is just a little work in progress. As we do different things with it, we'll record it, make sure it goes on. I don't think them chavtastic wing mirrors are going to stay on.
No.
They're awful.
Disgusting.
They are really awful.
They're,
Oh yeah, we're just getting back to putting the wheel arches back on.
Yeah, having some fun.
Are you putting the mud flap back on as well?
I can't quite put the mud flap back on.
Oh, we broke it.
I didn't break it. No.
Who broke it?
Our resident fucking ape.
Right, 1 second. Who broke the mud flap? Who broke the mud flap? Oh, it fell off.
Fucking didn't fall.
So, yeah, here we go. And if we get time in a bit, we might do the nice silver Shogun. Because no one's really seen that yet, have they?
No.
Oh, that Shogun's amazing. It'll be going laning soon. Be a shame, like, when we roll it, but we'll take it later. Anyway, that's it for now. We'll pause here, and when we start doing the back, we'll kick it back in again. Ta-ta for now.